Next question. Prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Okay. Here we are talking about two similar triangles. Okay. Let's the triangles. Let's. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Here given these two triangles are similar. Okay. Here we need to prove the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Okay. Let AD is the median of triangle ABC and PM is the median of triangle PQR. To prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding medians AD by PM. Okay. AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Whole square. Okay. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, we know two triangles are similar. The corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle C equal to angle R. And corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR. Okay. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. Here these two triangles are similar. Okay. According to theorem 6.6, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay. See note, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay. Here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides AB by PQ whole square, which is equal to AC by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square. Okay. This is equation 1. Here consider first and third ratio. Okay. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Okay. Here BC equal to BD plus DC. Okay. BC equal to BD plus DC. Okay. Here AD is the median of triangle ABC. We know median divides line segment in equal parts. Okay. So D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. BD equal to DC. Instead of DC we can write BD. BD plus BD. Why? D is the midpoint. D is midpoint of BC. Okay. BC equal to BD plus BD, which is equal to 2BD. BC equal to, we can write 2BD. In same way QR. QR equal to QM plus MR. QM plus MR. Here PM is the median of triangle PQR. Okay. So M is the midpoint of PR. So PM equal to MR. Instead of MR we can write QM. QM plus QM, which is equal to 2QM. QR equal to 2QM. In place of QR we can write 2QM. AB by PQ equal to 2 get cancelled. BD by QM. Okay. Therefore AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. AB by PQ equal to BD. BD by QM. Okay. Here angle B equal to angle Q. Angle including sides are in proportion. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Okay. Therefore triangle ABD, smaller triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay. Here using SAS similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle including sides are in proportion. Using SAS similarity criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay. So here these two triangles are similar. The corresponding sides are in proportion. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD. AD by PM. Okay. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to medians. AD by PM. AD by PM. Okay. See equation 1. Instead of AB by PQ, we can write AD by PM. Therefore area of triangle ABC by area of, from equation 1, area of triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square. Instead of AB by PQ, we can write AD by PM. AD by PM whole square. Okay. Here we need to prove the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQ are equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Okay. These are the square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. Hence proved.